My name is Fabian Orozco, working here on the UCSD campus. Our section of this job is taking care of all these pavers using Tomahawk's roller compactor. Pretty straightforward to use, rolls over everything, and it makes our job completely easier. We don't worry about damaging pavers really, since it has rubber rollers underneath. Regular compactors can damage pavers and slow our crews down with extra setup. The problem with the other machine, we usually have to lay out a weed barrier so you don't damage the pavers. Then you have to go over it with compactor, take off the fabric, remove any broken bricks, spread the sand again and all the cracks, and then do it over again 2 to 3 times. And this roller compactor saves you a few steps. It doesn't seem like a huge machine, but it definitely does the same job as a bigger compactor. The rollers underneath are rubber, so there's less chances of pavers chipping on you. So you don't have to use a protective barrier. It's easier to handle and makes the job go faster. The rollers make it very easy to turn. You can turn it with one hand, no problem. Going back and forth is definitely a huge plus too, because with hard to reach areas where you can't turn around anymore. So you just pull forward and then just pull it back, and then you turn around whenever you need to. On large commercial projects, having good equipment is critical. There's timelines to most of our jobs. Engine reliability is super important, because the last thing you need is a tool not working on you mid-job. We put a lot of hours on this Tomahawk roller compactor, and ever since day one, it's been perfect, no issues. I would recommend this compactor to any company that does pavers, natural stone, and any sorts of materials like that. There's even people that want to do DIYs at home, because it's just so much easier to handle than other normal compactors. We put a lot of hours on this Tomahawk roller compactor, and ever since day one, it's been perfect, no issues.